Top 12 anti-inflammatory foods to add to your daily diet. Chronic inflammation is a silent contributor to many health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. However, by incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet, you can significantly reduce inflammation and support overall well-being. Here are the top 12 anti-inflammatory foods that can help protect your body and reduce inflammation naturally. 1. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of fatty fish helps lower the levels of inflammatory markers in the body. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Add it to curries or smoothies for a natural anti-inflammatory boost. 3. Ginger. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Adding ginger to tea or meals can provide relief from chronic inflammation. 4. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that reduce inflammation. They are also high in fiber, supporting overall gut health. 5. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation. The anthocyanins in these fruits help lower inflammation markers and protect cells from damage. 6. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in healthy fats and polyphenols that reduce inflammation. It's a staple in the Mediterranean diet known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. 7. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation. Cooking tomatoes boosts the bioavailability of lycopene, making it even more beneficial. 8. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, both of which reduce inflammation in the body. 9. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which work together to reduce inflammation and support heart health. 10. Green tea. Green tea contains polyphenols like EGCG, which have been shown to reduce inflammation. A cup of green tea daily can provide anti-inflammatory benefits. 11. Garlic. Garlic's allicin compound has strong anti-inflammatory effects. Regular garlic consumption can help lower the risk of inflammatory diseases. 12. Mushrooms. Mushrooms like shiitake and maitake contain compounds that help modulate inflammation in the body and support the immune system. Incorporating these 12 anti-inflammatory foods into your diet is a simple yet effective way to reduce inflammation and improve your health. Whether you're looking to fight chronic conditions or simply enhance your well-being, these nutrient-dense foods can make a significant difference. Start adding them to your meals today for a healthier, inflammation-free life. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.